everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enroll your Yorktown network account into our SSRPM management tool. SSRPM stands for Self-Service Reset Password Management. So what you're going to be able to do is once you enroll your account, you can reset your network password or unlock your account from any device that you have internet access with. Once we enroll in the SSRPM tool, we will then reset our network password. The reason why you need to reset your password is because at the moment, Google does not recognize your account. Once we reset your password, that password change will show in Google and you'll be able to log into your new Google account. So as you can see, I'm already at the SSRPM tool. To get here, you can type in ssrpm.yorktown.org in your address bar, or you can go to our Yorktown webpage, click on the For Staff drop-down, and then you're going to look for Google/YCSD Network SSRPM. The first thing you want to do is click on Enroll into SSRPM. You're going to enter in your Yorktown Network user ID. For most of you, that will be your first initial last name. For today's training, I'm going to use a temporary account called Training Teacher. Then you're going to put in your Yorktown password. Underneath this, you want to type in the characters shown above. Please beware that these are case sensitive, so you'll want to type in cap locks whenever it is shown. I'm going to click on Continue. And now the SSRPM tool is going to ask you for 3 questions. 2 questions you will fill in from the drop-down, and the 3rd question you will make up on your own. So I'm just going to select some questions and then answer these questions. And when you answer the questions, please make sure you know exactly how you're typing out the answer. Your answers will be case sensitive, so make sure if you type in New York City, you understand that you wrote New York with spaces, or if you wrote NYC. And you'll see that as I type, it's asking me to confirm the same answer, so I know exactly how I typed it. And for most of you, your 3rd question will just be a question that you make up. And this can be any question that you can think of. I'm then going to click on Enroll. As long as I've answered all of my questions correctly with the correct answers in both spots, it's going to tell me, congratulations, I have successfully enrolled into the Self-Service Reset Password Management Program. So the next thing you want to do is click on the Home button. As I mentioned earlier in the video, you have to reset your password before you can use Google. So what we're going to do now is click on Reset Your Password. We're going to type in our same username, and then you're going to type in the characters above. And remember, this is case sensitive. I'll click on Continue, and it's going to ask me the 3 questions that I chose or made up. I'm now going to type in my exact answers in order to get through. You will also notice that it mixed up your questions so they're not in the same exact order that we typed them in. As long as I've answered these questions correctly, we should get to the next step in our resetting of passwords. Okay, so you can see here I've got 1 incorrect answer. One of my questions I did not answer correctly, so I'm just going to hit the retry button, and it shows me right here that I've answered this one wrong. So I'm just going to backspace this and try this again. Okay, I've successfully done this correct, so now it's going to let me reset my password. And you can see the requirements are that it needs to be at least 6 characters long. We need to use at least 3 characters from the following categories: uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and or symbols. Okay, so I'm going to enter my new password in. And you also want to remember that your new password cannot be a password that you've used the last 3 password resets. So you want to make something completely different. I'm going to click on Reset Password, and I have successfully reset my password. What this means is now I can go to gmail.com or click on the link in Yorktown and sign into my Google account. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to email the help desk by using SchoolDude, and we'll get back to you. Thanks.